Riwruok mar jotije kambi mar niang ochungo ng'anyo mar jotije kembe ang'wen mag sukari e pacho ka maende gin mag piny owacho to nyaka sani odes. Jagoro mar riwruogno Francis Wangara kod jakom Bernard Wanyonyi wacho ni okang' ni gikawo bang' riwruok e paro kod jotelo mag COTU mokwayo luso kod piny owacho mondo ochul gopgi mar bilion 20 mag jotijego. Kata kamano, jotelogo wacho ni ka singo mar COTU obi nyago olemo to gibiro kawo okang' machielo.
Hatulali kwa sababu tunaona tarehe yenye tulikuwa tumekubaliana na serikali mwezi wa 10 inakaribia. Wameitisha mkutano Nairobi kuanzia Alhamisi na Ijumaa. Lengo litakuwa ni kujadili hali ya malipo yao itakuwa namna gani.
In our memorandum, we had agreed that in July another payment would be made to the tune of 1.5 billion. As we speak, the money has not been released. The excuses we have been having with the government have not been very much convincing to us, because they give excuse that since the money is going to come from government, it takes a bit of time when it is change of financial year. Unfortunately, up to now, they have not made those payments. We may take further action, given if we realize that the government is not committed to making sure that every person is paid his dues. Once we realize that the government is playing games with us, then we are contemplating to take any action we believe that will save employees from being neglected or being assumed by any means. And therefore, we demand that government be serious and be committed to making sure that employees are paid everything that is owed to them. According to the calculations that we made when we went round, it has revealed that the amount that is supposed to be paid to these people is running to the tune of about 20 billion that is supposed to be paid to the 4 companies. The government should be prepared, the new lessees should be prepared to make sure that this payment is given to the workers before that 1st of October, which is just next month.